warming up now. I got a pretty big crew coming up. That right there is the exit point. Fly onto there. And then the wingsuiters are gonna probably exit from the same spot and try to do a flyby. I think down on that tower there. Couldn't ask for a better day. Three, two, one, later.
Turbulent.
He's still trying to. He's doing it. He's not fucking settling for anything less.
Yeah, that's not how you land. That hurt. Oh, that wind. Oh, wow. That was terrible. But I'm here. My legs are shaking still. I was trying to sink it in, and then like I let up on brakes and I got this crazy updraft, and then I started floating again. Full stalled it into these boulders. But I'm good. Oh, I got a dead leg. But yeah, we're gonna pack up now and then jump off this thing.